Next one is exercise 6.3. So in the exercise 6.2, we discuss the multiplication of the monomials. Okay, so in this exercise we discuss the multiplication of one monomial and one binomial. So here the 4p is monomial, q plus r is binomial. We know that monomial means expression containing only one term. Binomial means expressions containing two terms. Okay, so here, so now we have to multiply one monomial and one binomial. So first write 4p into q plus r. Okay, so first multiply 4p with q. So 4p into q, and here plus is there, write plus. Now multiply 4p with r. So 4p into r. So 4 into p into q is 4pq plus 4 into p into r is pr. This is the answer. See the second one. Here ab, this is the monomial. So ab into a minus b. Okay, this bracket will represent the multiplication symbol. Okay, so first multiply ab with a. So ab into a. So here minus is there, write minus. So plus into minus minus. Now multiply ab into b. So see here, this is the variable a and variable a is there. So bases are same. So we can add the power. So its power is 1, its power is 1. So a power 1 plus 1 is 2 into b minus here a, here base is b, base is b. So we can add the power. So b power 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, likewise we can solve the next problems. So next one is find the product. So the first problem is a square into 2 into a power 22 into 6a power 26. So first write the numericals, that means numbers, that is 2 into 6. Okay, so into, now write the variables, that is a square into a power 22 into a power 26. 6 2s are 12 into, here see the bases are same, so we can add the powers. So 2 plus 22 plus 26. So 12 into, so 22 plus 2 is 24, 24 plus 26 is 40. Okay, sorry, this is 50. Okay, 24 plus 26 is 50. So answer is 12 into a power 50. Okay, so see the second problem. So here xy and x square into y square. First write the numbers 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. First we have to multiply this one. So now we have to multiply xy into x square, y square. So here 2 1s are 2 5s are, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So we get minus 3 by 5. Here see that here x is there, x square is there. First write x into x square. And next one is y and y square. So y into y square. Minus 3 by 5 into, here bases are same, add the power. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So next one, here bases are same, add the powers, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. Okay, likewise you can do the other problems. So next one is simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value at x equal to 3 and x equal to off. First we have to simplify that. So first write the 3x into 4x minus 5 plus right plus 3. Okay, first to multiply 3x with 4x. Okay, 3x into 4x. So here minus, plus into minus is minus. Now multiply 3x into 5. So write 3 as it is. So first multiply numbers, that is 3 into 4 is 12. Here bases are same, powers are added. So x into x we get x square. So here multiply first numbers, 5 3s are 15. So x plus 3. So this is the given equation. Now we have to find its value when put x equal to 3. Okay. So in the place of x, substitute 3. Okay. So here 12 into x square minus 15x plus 3. So substitute the value of 3, that is 3 whole square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Okay, in the place of x just I'll put the 3. Okay, so 12 into 3 square, that means multiply 3 2 times. So 3 3s are 9. So minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. So 12 9s are. So 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9. 108 minus 45 plus 3. Okay. So 108 plus 3 we get 111. So 111 minus 45. So 111, that is 111 minus 45. Here we get 11 minus 5 6. 10 minus 4 6. So we get answer 66. Okay. So similarly we can do this one and the second one. Just put to the x value in the place of x, that is off in the place of x. So next one is add these 3 polynomials. Okay. So add means what? We have to sum all these binomials. Okay. So p of p minus q plus q of q minus r plus r of r minus p. So just put to the plus sign. Okay. First we have to multiply p with p and q. So p into p. Okay. Minus, here minus is there, plus into minus is minus. Now p into q. So plus q into q plus into minus minus q into r. So here plus r into r minus plus into minus minus. So r into p. So p into p is p square. P into q is pq. Q into q is q square. Q into r is qr. R into r is r square. R into p is rp. Okay. So p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. Just write in the alternate form. So we get this one. Okay. So subtraction can also be do like this. I can solve one problem for subtraction, that is one C. So see this one. The 3l into l minus 4m plus 54 subtract from this one. So first we have to write this one, that is 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l, and we have to subtract this one to this. So minus 3l into l minus 4m plus 5l. So first we have to multiply 4l with these 3 and 3l with these 3. Okay. So first 4l into 10n. So plus into minus minus. 4l into 3m into plus into plus plus. Sorry, plus 4l into 2l. Okay. So here minus is there. So minus into plus minus. 3l into l minus into minus plus 3l into 4m minus into plus minus 3l into 5l. See here. So first we have to multiply numbers. 10 4s are 40, l into n is n. Here 4 3s are 12, l into m. So plus 4 2s are 8, l into l is l square. Minus 3 into 1 is 3, l into l square. So here 4 3s are 12, lm. So here 5 3s are 15, ln. Okay. So now I'll write the same terms. So here see this 8l square and 3l square, and next 40 ln minus 50 ln and minus 12 ln plus 12 ln. So 8 minus 3, that is 5L square. That is here 40 minus 15, we get 25 ln. So this one is cancelled, we get this one. Okay.